If you're looking for economy and a great drive, come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl with this pre-owned 2022 Toyota Corolla LE. We've got a 1.8 liter inline 4 underneath the hood, 38 miles per gallon highway, 16-inch wheels wrapped in Dunlop. Silver metallic, it's beautiful. Inside premium cloth, gonna keep you cool with these lighter colors. We have connectivity and 12 volts of power inside the console. We have console auto shift. We have our entertainment stack right here, our climate controls, our steering wheel, hands-free controls, big, huge gauges, and also a digital driver information station and a whole lot of legroom. Total seating for 5. Great first, second, or third vehicle, even for ride share. In the back, 3 across, and guess what? We got a little slot there for some cargo. And also, we have plenty of legroom. We've got the trunk open, we got our cargo net, and a whole lot of room right there in the back. So come on home to Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of Business 83 and McCall Road in McAllen, Texas for this pre-owned 2022 Toyota Corolla LE. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what do you want? Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.